Hey everyone, want to automatically reply to messages on your Facebook page using Messenger? It can be a real hassle to respond to every single message individually, and if you don't, your page's responsiveness can take a hit. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up automated responses using the Meta Business Suite. This is perfect for businesses or pages that want to stay responsive 24/7, even when you're not online. Let's get started. Important note: you can only set up auto replies if you're managing a Facebook page, not a personal profile. If you don't have a page yet, you'll need to create one first. Step 1. Open the Meta Business Suite app or website. Go to the Meta Business Suite app on your mobile device or open business.facebook.com in your web browser. Log in with your Facebook account and select the specific page you manage. Step 2. Navigate to Inbox Settings. In the Business Suite, tap on Inbox from the bottom or side menu. Then tap the Automations tab or Automated Responses, depending on the version of your app or website interface. Step 3. Choose and customize your automated responses. You'll see several options here. Set up what you need for your page. Instant Reply. This sends an automatic message for the very first time someone messages your page. Tap Instant Reply to toggle it on, and then type your custom message. For example, "Thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you shortly." Tap Save. Away message. This is used when you're unavailable or outside of your regular business hours. Tap Away message, toggle it on, and then schedule your hours away. Customize the message to inform people you're currently offline. For example, "We're currently offline, but we'll respond as soon as possible." Tap Save. Frequently asked questions. This allows you to set up pre-answered questions for common inquiries. Tap Add Question, then enter a common question and its corresponding answer. For example, "What are your business hours?" A. "We're open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tap Save after adding each question and answer. And that's how you set up an automated responses on Facebook Messenger using Meta Business Suite. It's a fantastic way to keep your customers informed and engaged even when you're not actively online. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.